Hama?
Listen, brother. All you need to know, save your money. Alright? Save your money. Alright? If you save your money up on a girl, by all means, spoil that girl. Alright? But have some money left over for you. Alright? If you're gonna join the military, keep that money for yourself. Alright? If you keep that money for yourself, make sure you spend on something important. Alright? I spent my money on a guitar, on a boat, on a truck. I spent my money on a truck. Alright? And she still runs great. That truck motor is 21 years old and she still runs like a brand new motor. Alright? Listen. You take that motor, you turn it over to something else. Now listen, you'll be alright. Alright? You'll be fine. Stop filming me right now.
I'm legit up. Like, fucking Mike is like, laugh. He's like,
Mike's son, come here, give me a hug.
give me a hug. Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
Right now.
Oh, shit. Give him a kiss on the cheek.
Love you, bro.
You were my best friend. It's great.
Oh yeah, dude, Pisces all day.
Rick, you gotta go out. Come here, give me a hug.
Oh shit.
You can't believe, come here.
Yeah, I got you. I got you, man. I got you, man. I got you, man.
I miss you
I
guys.
miss you, man.
I miss y'all. I miss you guys.
Me too.
It's gonna be a good night.
Good night. Come on, you gotta sing. Just once. Come on. Just once.
You gotta put on a country song.
Yeah, we go after this.
You gotta put on